MacBook Pro. This one got 16 gigs of RAM, a terabyte hard drive, and then I also got the new what they call it, the Pro, the Apple Silica chip. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming back to you guys. If you see here, new setup. This is just my first day of Vlogmas. So this is the second day of December. So we're going to be spitting out videos every single day. So I'm going to drop one for the day, drop one for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to make up, but we just going to drop it. It might be me playing some video games, me doing whatever. But I'm actually coming to you guys on this video because this is the start of the day of Vlogmas. And also, it's getting to the holidays and it's time to start going shopping and getting stuff for kids and stuff like that for Christmas. My daughter's about to go grab them something today, going to go out and do some things. And actually right now, I just wanted to, while we into this video, to show you guys my new office. I'm actually still cleaning up stuff. I moved into an office, a place where I'm going to be doing all my YouTube and all my stuff on. So I'm gonna show you my setup, show you how I'm doing everything. I'm just taking all this stuff all down. Showing you the setup, showing you how everything is going on. And you guys let me know on that. And this is the first start of the Vlogmas. And this is what I'm gonna do. It's called Tech Vlogmas, or Tech, whatever we're gonna call it. We're gonna hashtag it. We're gonna say it. Maybe it's just gonna be Tech Vlogmas or Vlogmas Tech, or whatever we're going to do it, Christmas vlog, whatever we're going to do, we won't say on that. But we got the TV there, what we got going on, the pods and the Apple TV, the PS5, we're going to play that. So you might see that in this vlogs, on some of my vlogs, you might see me playing 2K in the middle of it, and then coming back and getting into, just basically talking to you guys. But, let's get right into it, and let me show you a little spot, what I did. So, if you can see, I'm not done yet. That table right there is actually going to be going across this part right here. So we're going to fix that. This is the setup. I'm not done yet because all these monitors are going to work with that PC over there. I'm just going to have that PC that I built, and I just wanted to get everything set up. So let me just flip this around so I can show you guys the setup, and you guys can help me set up more stuff. And I got some stuff I'm gonna put on the wall and everything else, so you guys can help me on that. All right, hold on. All right, you guys, this is the setup. Excuse the bag and stuff because I'm still fixing up stuff. That's my shout out to Ninja. I'm not, what is his name? The Tech Ninja. There we go. I'm sorry. Tech Ninja. Sorry, I've been watching you for years, so I just, I get out. So when you first come in, my light switch to turn on the lights and everything else. This is the setup. Trust me, guys. I know you guys are going to be like, oh, the wiring and stuff. Like I said before, I'm still building, still getting everything together. So you're going to see everything tucked in and everything on the process of me doing everything. There's going to be stuff. I'm going to put new curtains in there. Something blend in with the whole accents of the way I'm going to do everything. The wall, I'm going to have some stuff probably on each side of the wall and make this almost like a picture frame. But, I got the PS5 sitting here on a stand for right now. That's my part where I do where all my plugs is going to be in, and to get the Apple pods. So if you see those pods, I'm actually going to try to get more of these and actually start doing some videos, and I might be giving some of these away. So someone could do their own setup. But that's just my favorite colors, and that's my YouTube colors I love, and my business colors. So you can see that there, all set up. The closet ain't too much. I'm not done yet. Like I said, I got the mic I'm going to put up, AirPod things, everything I got up here. I'm still not done yet. Still got to get all this stuff together. There's barely nothing in here. As you can see, I had to use my little stud finder so I could put my stuff up on the wall. But I'm still setting up this. I got to get my plug for this computer, this monitor, but I might be taking this monitor off because I think I might buy one more monitor just like this one, or I might try to get the one to go with my MacBook Pro. So if you've seen the video unboxing of the MacBook Pro. This is my new 14-inch MacBook Pro. This one got 16 gigs of RAM, a terabyte hard drive, and then I also got the the new what they call it, the Pro, the Apple Silica chip. Pretty much this is the Pro model. This is the M1 Pro chip that I have in this one. It is actually amazing. That's where I do all my video editing. This is going to be mainly where I'm going to do all my streaming and everything else like that on here. So I had that set up. This is clean. I know I'm going to keep these wires. Probably, I was going to drill in there, but I might put something in there just to have the wires going down. And then I'm going to have that part up more where all the wires is going to be. And I got to put all my figures in my cars that will be on this channel. Definitely that guy right there. And I'm going to put these up, set them up the way I want to set them up. Got my internet service there, got my couch, little futon. I just bought a pillow, so I got that sitting there. And that's what was on the part for the back of there. But you guys, let me know how you think I should set it up. Should I put the desk over here? I know I'm going to have that sitting there. Should I put more Alex drawers like these under that one and set it up there? And these wires is going to be tucked in, coming down, and I'm going to have a strip to go to the plug-in there. That's what I'm going to do with this one. That's why I got multiple plugs for that here, so I can have that coming down. And this PlayStation will be sitting up there, and then they're going to have two monitors here for the MacBook Pro, where I'm going to be doing my video editing and everything else on this one, because I have to have this TV run to this PC so I can have the stream going on for the PC. And plus, the new Halo came out, so I got Xbox part, so I'm actually going to play that on my PC. So I'm actually going to grab a controller for my PC to be able to play the new Halo. So we're going to be trying to stream that on my PC. That monitor is I think 60 hertz or 100 something hertz, 4K. So I'm going to probably play on that monitor while I'm doing everything else on this one. So these three is just going to be strictly for this computer. And then I'm going to have two more monitors strictly the video editor here. Actually, I would love to have two ultra wide monitors to go for the Mac Pro to video edit it. You guys leave your comments below and give me a link to the best products I could get to go with the setup. Also, you guys, your help would definitely be golden on that on this setup. Like I said before, I'm getting a new gaming chair. Tell me, you guys, what the best gaming chair. So I'm gonna put that out there. So stay tuned for that. Actually, I'm selling cars. I'm still selling cars, and I'm also a real estate agent, and I own my own detail business. So, I have this set up because, like I said before, my YouTube channel, my detail business, and, everything like that, my car stuff separate. I'm actually working on getting a garage because we are going to be doing rebuilt cars and everything else like that. But this is the first day of the Vlogmas. We're going to do a lot of things. Probably see me do some stuff for my girls. See me do, during the whole month of, until Christmas. And then, the next year, we're going to try to pump out a lot of videos to get for you guys. So if you come back to this video, thank you for watching. And let me get around this here. And so this is the first part of the Vlogmas. And this is just me talking about my setup. And I need your help. Leave a comment below. Need your guys' help on what should we do with this setup. Leave a comment below. Thank you, guys. And stay tuned. I'm going to be right back on the rest of the Vlogmas. So when I get into the store, I will hit you guys back.